Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX Railfan here, and we got a CSX freight close to like 143. Looks like it's taking him a little bit of time to build up here. And then I also heard that we have on my eastbound stopped at Cogville, probably to wait for this guy here to pass first. I don't think that eastbound's gonna show up right away after this guy passes, because I heard it on the radio saying it still stopped, of course, waiting for this guy to pass. Once this guy gets up to Cookville here to pass that stopped eastbound train. There it goes. Awesome catch to see a Heritage on this thing. Sorry that Heritage wasn't in the lead, but it's a nice unit. I think I caught that Heritage unit in the lead before though, on a different train as well though.